Good afternoon. Okay, so in the last class and all we discussed about matrices and determinants. Okay, by today we will be completing this. Okay, 2 periods we have. By today we'll be stopping this revision in which chapter? Matrices and determinants. Tomorrow onwards we'll start with derivatives. We have to start with derivatives from tomorrow. Okay. Did you go through the case study questions? How many of you go through that case study questions? Yes, Krishna Chandran? Not started. What about here? Gauri? No. Huh? Yes, good. Sania? Okay. No. Okay. Today onwards you have to start. Okay. Today onwards what you have to do? You start with matrices and determinants. So next week, Tuesday, no doubt. Next week, Tuesday, test paper in matrices and determinants together. Matrices and determinants, because we can't separate it. Okay, because some combinations will be coming in both. So matrices and determinants together, you'll be writing a test paper on next Tuesday. Okay, Ashwin. Okay, children. Now we can do few questions. Okay, we are going to discuss some additional questions, that is previous year's questions and all. Write the question. You have to give the answer. Okay. Yesterday, 3 or 4 of them scored full marks. I appreciate them. Punya, Aditya S. Raj, Gayatri, and Srihari. They got 15 out of 15. Okay. So next exam, I expect each one should score 50. Is it clear? Ashwin? Huh? Do by yourself and score. Okay. Don't look at here and there and write the answer. There is no use. Okay. Okay. Now we can start. Write the question, children. Write the question. Matrices we completed, and determinants, few properties. First, let's go through it and then we can start with the question. Okay, listen, children. Okay, what is determinant of AB? Determinant of AB is determinant A into determinant B, isn't it? And what else we have learned? Determinant of A transpose is same as determinant A. What is meant by determinant? What is meant by determinant? To every square matrix, we can associate a real number that is called matrix. Only for square matrix, we can find the determinant, not for all matrices. Okay, that is the point you have to note. Determinants can be found out for only square matrix and not for all matrices. Determinant A transpose is determinant A. Then what else? What is determinant A inverse, which is same as? What is the property? It is same as? Is it same as 1 by determinant A? What we have learned? A into A inverse is I. Yes or no? A into A inverse is I. So what is determinant of A into A inverse? Use the property what we know. Okay. Determinant of I means identity matrix will be always 1. And what is determinant of AB? Determinant A into determinant B. So determinant of A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A. And what about the other properties? A into adj is equal to adj into A is equal to determinant A into I. Determinant A is I into I. Then if A is a n by n matrix and determinant A is equal to, okay, suppose A is an n by n matrix and K is a non-zero number. Okay, K is not equal to 0, be a real number. Then what is determinant of Ka. What is determinant of Ka? A is an n by n matrix with K, and K is a real number which is not equal to 0. Then what is determinant of Ka? Yes, what is the property here? Rijas? Rijas is present? What is determinant? What is determinant Ka? It will be same as
K raised to n determinant.
into determinant A. Okay. Again, the next property. Sixth one, if A is an n by n matrix, then determinant of at J is equal to determinant A raised to n minus 1. If A is an n by n matrix, determinant of at J is equal to determinant A raised to n minus 1. And then the next thing what you have learned in determinants, you have learned about area of triangle, isn't it? Area of triangle is given by half into determinant x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1, where x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 are the vertices of a triangle. If x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 are the vertices of the triangle, then the area of the triangle is given by half into determinant x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1 and x3, y3, 1. Sometimes when we find the area, it may be negative. Okay, not area will not be negative. The determinant value may be negative, but what you have to take? We'll be taking the absolute value. We consider only the absolute value when we take area. Okay. If area of the triangle is 0, what you can say? Area of the triangle is 0 means, Atul?
Points are collinear.
They are collinear. Okay. They are collinear. Then we learned about solving system of equations. Solving simultaneous linear equations. Suppose you are given a system of equations. First step, we write it in the form. Okay, we write it in the form AX is equal to B. We write it the equation in matrix form. AX equal to B. From here, X is equal to A inverse of B. We solve by using inverse of the matrix. X is equal to A inverse of B. And what is the formula to find A inverse? A inverse is 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A. Okay. And then one more important property we discussed. Okay. A11 into capital A11 plus A12 into capital A12 plus A13 into capital A13 will be is equal to, it is equivalent to, what you have learned? Element along the row or column multiplied by its corresponding cofactor. It is equivalent to, yes, determinant. Okay, it is same as the determinant. An element multiplying by its cofactor, corresponding cofactor. Okay, what is meant by cofactor? It is cofactor of an element is given by minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. Mij means minor. Minor means we leave the row and column containing that element. Okay, that one will give the minor. Yes. So with this, we are going to start. Start solving the problems. Write down the first one. A is a square matrix of order 3 A is a square matrix of order 3. And determinant A is equal to 5. Then what is determinant of 2A dash? What is A dash? A is a matrix of order 3 by 3. Determinant A is 5. Then determinant 2A dash. What is A dash, Michael? A dash is? What does A dash represent?
A transpose.
Very good. It is transpose. What will be the answer? A is a matrix of order 3. Determinant A is 5. Then what is determinant of 2A dash? How to do this? It's a 3 by 3 matrix. Then use the property. What you have learned? Determinant of Ka is equal to K raised to n, isn't it? So here it is 2 raised to 3 into determinant A dash. What is the answer, Nandana?
8 into 5.
8
40.
into 5, 40. It is equivalent to 40. Next one, if determinant 2, 3, 2, x, 4, 9, 1 plus 3 is equal to 0. 2, 3, 2, x, 4, 9, 1 plus 3 is equal to 0. Find x. Actually, what does it mean? This plus 3 is 0 means what you can say? This determinant value is same as minus 3. Is it correct? Determinant value is minus 3. Is it correct, Rijas? When you add the value of this determinant plus 3, it is 0 means that determinant value is minus 3. So you expand it, equate it to minus 3 and solve the first one. If you expand it, 2 into x minus 9x minus 3 into x minus 4x plus 2 into 9x minus 4x is equal to negative 3. Is it okay, Sanya?
Yes, ma'am.
Now solve this and give the answer. Nia, what is the value of x? Nia. What is the answer? This minus 16x plus 9x plus 10x is minus 3. Is that no? From here, what is the value of x? Now read value of x.
Minus 1.
Yes, correct. X is minus 1. Are you getting this answer, Ashwin? Emmanuel? Okay, Emmanuel. Where is Emmanuel? Emmanuel is present?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, Emmanuel. Is it okay? This
Yes, ma'am.
questions are you able to do?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Shall we do the next one? Write the next one. A is a 3 by 3 matrix. A is a 3 by 3 matrix. Determinant A is minus 2. Determinant A is minus 2. Find determinant A into at J. Find A into at J. Find determinant A into at J. What is A into at J? How to do this? We'll be finding determinant A into determinant at J. Whether at J is given, Gauri, give the next step.
Determinant A dot at J is equal to determinant of A into determinant of at J.
Then determinant A is given.
Determinant of at J is equal to determinant of A into n minus raised to
Very-
n minus 1.
Very good. So it will be
Negative
A
2
square.
into negative 2 the whole raised to 3 minus 1. Negative 2 into negative 2 the whole raised to 2.
Don't write these many steps. You know the answer, isn't it? Give the answer. Okay, because negative 8. That is enough. Okay, if you write more elaborately like this, you can utilize this time for solving the other question. That is enough. Okay. Dia, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Write the next one. The matrix, listen to the question. The matrix, write down 2 minus 1, 3, lambda 0, 7, minus 1, 1, 4 is not invertible. Is not invertible for lambda is equal to dash. This is not invertible for lambda is equal to dash. It is not invertible. What does it mean? Not invertible means inverse does not exist. Okay. So when you say inverse does not exist? Yes, Punya, when you say inverse does not exist?
Determinant is 0.
Very good. This determinant value is equal to 0. Okay, instead of giving determinant is 0, find lambda. What is the condition given here? It is not invertible. Inverse does not exist means determinant value is 0. So equate it and find out what is the value of lambda. What is the value of lambda, Atul?
1.
Lambda is 1. Is it correct, Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Write the next one. Determinant 2x 5 8x is equal to determinant 6 minus 2 7 3. Then x is equal to dash. Then x is equal to dash. Yes. What is the value of x? Nandana? 1. Is it correct, Sania? 6 or 1? Or is it 6 or plus or minus 6?
Plus or minus 6.
Plus or minus. Is that no? Here when you cross multiply this, 2x square minus 40 will be equivalent to 18 plus 14. So 2x square is equal to 32 plus 40 will get 72. So x square is 36. So x is plus or minus 6. Okay. Is it correct, Michael? Okay, whenever we take square root, and if it is numbers means you can take both plus or minus. If it is length or cost means in that case you have to take either plus or minus accordingly. Okay, it will be plus if it is distance and all. But here it is a number, so you can both the values you can take. Write the next one. Area of the triangle is 35 square units. Area of the triangle is 35 square units. Area of triangle is 35 square units. And the vertices are 2, minus 6, 5, 4, 2, minus 6, 5, 4, and k, 4. The vertices are 2, minus 6, 5, 4, and k, 4. Find k. Find k. Area of the triangle is 35 square units and the vertices are given. And among the given vertices, one vertex is unknown. You have to find what is x. So will you do this? Half into determinant x1, y1, 1. So 2 minus 6, 1. 5, 4, 1. K 4, 1 is plus or minus 35. Area is positive 35 means determinant value will be positive or negative. You have to consider both the cases. Okay, don't take simply with plus 35. You have to consider plus or minus 35. Then you simplify and find out what is the value of k. Finished? What is the value of k? What is the answer, Gauri?
-2.
-2? It's not clear. Okay, Srihari,
12.
12. K is 12. Only one value? Is there? Or two
Minus
values?
2 and 12.
-2 and 12. Okay. Is it correct? Naureen? Nia?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. Write the next one. Write the question. X, Y, Z are non-zero numbers. Okay, it's a textbook question. X, Y, Z are non-zero numbers. And A is equal to determinant X 0, 0, 0, Y 0, 0, 0, Z. A is equal to X, Y 0, X 0, 0, 0, Y 0, 0, 0, Z. Then A inverse is. Then A inverse is dash. What is A inverse? What is the method we have learned? A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A, isn't it? So what is the determinant here? Okay, look at here. What type of matrix it is? Is it a diagonal matrix? Okay, in a diagonal matrix, determinant value will be same as product of the elements along the diagonal. So it will be 1 by XYZ into find out adjoint. How will you find adjoint? Transpose of the cofactor matrix. Is or no? You have to find the transpose of the cofactor matrix. So how to find cofactor? How will you find cofactor of X? You leave the row and column. Okay, and we have to look at the sign here. Plus, minus, plus. Minus, plus, minus. Then plus, minus, plus. This is the format. Is or no? So using the sign, find out what is 1 by XYZ into. If you take the first element, it is positive YZ. And for the second element, it is 0. And for the third element, it is again 0. In the next one, it is minus. Again, if you leave the row and column, it is 0. Then for the next one, it is plus XZ. The next one, it is again 0. Is it correct? 0, 0, XY. So it is same as when you open the bracket, it will be same as 1 by X 0, 0, 0, 1 by Y 0. So if you take the transpose, you will get the same, isn't it? And 0, 0, Z, 1 by Z. 0, 0, 1 by Z. It can be written as X inverse 0, 0, 0, Y inverse 0, 0, 0, Z inverse. Okay. So instead of XYZ, they can give any number for XYZ and you may be asked this type of question. Okay, instead of XYZ, sometimes they will ask like this 200, 030, 004. What is the inverse of this matrix means? You can give the answer easily. 1 by 2, 0, 0. Is that no? 0, 1 by 3, 0, 0, 0, 1 by Z. Okay, this is a textual question. It's in your, I think it is in miscellaneous exercise. Okay, in miscellaneous exercise, you have this type of question. Go through it. Instead of XYZ, they can assign some number and it will be asked. Okay, now write the next one. Is it okay? Is it clear, children? Now write the next one. That is also a textbook question. A is equal to matrix 1 sin theta 1 minus sin theta 1 sin theta minus 1 minus sin theta 1 comma 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 2 pi. Then determinant A, first one equal to 0, second one determinant A belongs to the interval 0 to infinity, third one it belongs to the interval 2, 4, fourth one belongs to closed to 4. A is given. We want to find the determinant value and we have to check where this value will lie, whether it is 0 or whether it lies between 0 to infinity or 2 to 4 or closed 2 to 4. Okay, Emmanuel, first you expand this and find out what you will get. And you expand the determinant, what you will get. Yes. What is the answer? When you expand it, what you will get? See, whenever you are given questions like this, we may feel it is very difficult. Actually, it is easy one. You first expand it. When you expand it, what you are getting there? Michael, what is the value of the determinant here? Yes, Punya. When you expand it,
Ma'am, 2 sine square theta plus 2.
2 sine square theta plus 2. So 2 sine square theta plus 2. Others, check it. Is it correct? 2 sine square theta plus 2. Is it correct? Nandana, Krishna Chandran?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now look at here. So we can take 2 as common and we can write like this. We have learned maxima, minima and all. Is or no? And what we know about sine theta? What is the maximum value of sine theta and what is the minimum value of sine theta? Maximum value of sine theta is 1, isn't it? So here, maximum value may be 1. If you square it, again you will get 1. And what is the minimum value? Minimum value of sine is -1. Okay, we know that -1 less than or equal to sine theta less than or equal to 1. Sine theta lies between -1 and +1. So when you square it, what happens? It will become plus, isn't it? So it will lie between 0 to 1. So suppose when I substitute minimum value, what you will get? See, minimum value is 0. So 2 into 0 plus 1. So minimum value may be 2. And what is the maximum value? 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 into 2, it is 4. It may be, okay, it is included equal to 2. Here also it is equal to 0. So what will be the interval where the determinant value will lie? It lies between 2 to 4, close to 2 to 4. Is it clear? Is it okay? Huh? Is it okay? Sania? Ashwin? Ashwin, Shivani, Alvin? Huh? Please turn on your video. Shivani? Nia? Aryan? Shivani? Shivani? Okay, write the next one. Write the next one. A is equal to matrix. A is equal to matrix 250, 10, 2. And B is equal to matrix for 50, 40, 2, 3. What is determinant AB? What is determinant AB? How will you do this? Aryan, tell me how you do this determinant AB. I'm not asking the answer. How will you solve this? I ask the method. Give the method. How will you solve it? What is determinant AB?
Rows into columns.
Yes, repeat it. What is it? Yes. How to do determinant AB? Aditya, how will you solve that one, Aditya?
Determinant A into determinant B.
Very good. Okay. Few of them will be thinking, I'll take the product and I'll take the determinant. Yes or no? That way also we can do. Matrix A is given, matrix B is given. So we can find AB and then we can take the determinant. Instead of that, what is the easy way? Already A and BR is given. So what is determinant AB? Okay, you can use that. property. And we can do it easily. Determinant A into determinant B. No need to take the product. Is it clear? Atul, calculate and give the answer, Atul. What is the answer, Ashwin?
Minus 7,000.
Minus 7,000. Is it correct? Is it minus 7,000? Rijas? Okay, write the next
Yes, ma'am.
one. Yes, write the next one. If A is equal to matrix A 0 0 0 A 0 0 0 A, then determinant of J is equal to dash. Then determinant of J is equal to dash. Okay, I'll mark the attendance.